All right, well, it's been at least a couple of weeks. We're back down to the Clover Foodplot here. And right here, if you remember, Eddie got stung. Right there's the hole, but oddly enough, it looks like woodchucks living back in there. And if that's the, oh, it was, wait a minute. Was it that hole or was it that hole? There's two holes here now. I cannot tell you which hole it was. That is interesting because there's a hole right there and there's a hole right there, and I can't tell you which one's which. I mean, I'd say maybe like what's left in there, maybe like a third of it. Okay. What's that, a gallon? Maybe? I don't even know. Dump about a third around that hole, and in the hole, around the hole, and all that crap, man. Get it all over the place. That's good.
Stand back.
Okay. Getting buzzed there. Accuracy is probably not real important because there's gas all over the place. It's probably going to shake the ground.
Think?
I don't know.
Are we safe here?
I don't know. We'll find out. Yep. Throw that bitch and run. There you go.
Let's see if this woodchuck comes fucking flying out of there.
Well, I think he'll go out of the other hole.
Wouldn't that be fucking funny for your channel?
I could tell you, any bees that come out of there are instantly burnt. So, and I'm not seeing bees come out of there. Man, I wonder if they left. One thing's for sure, that is brand new woodchuck activity.
Yep.
Brand new. Wonder if we should burn the other hole too, just in case. Dang.
Want to?
They're doing some serious excavating in there.
You want me to dump some down this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Because I'm not 100% sure that that's the right hole. Dump it and then all around it, you know. Holy fuck.
Damn.
Holy
Did you get that?
Yeah. It come out. So they're connected.
Yeah.
Damn, dude. You look at that damn can didn't catch on fire. Oh.
Did you get that?
Yeah, unfortunately. Wow.
Yeah, no kidding. That could have been ugly.
I'm not seeing the bees.
That probably wasn't the smartest thing we've done.
No, wasn't the dumbest, but 100% wasn't the smartest. And oh, that hole's burning good. Look at that. I mean, the inside of that. This is really bizarre because it's almost like a little tunnel that connects. I'm sure there's a hole going down somewhere there, but jeez.
Another hole in here.
Huh.
Damn. That scared me.
I'll tell you what, well, yeah, all of a sudden, I thought they were two separate holes. Won't be thinking
that.
that.
You can see, look at, right from here over to there.
Look at the excavating that this chuck has done. Boy, and the deer have put a beat down on this. I mean, it has been buzzsawed. And you can see these clover heads are just bitten right off. And I mean, I expected this to be damn near shin high.
Did you?
Yeah. Yep, but there must be a lot of deer using this.
Well,
That's,
look at your camera, see how many pictures are on there.
yeah. I mean, no other explanation for it, really. I mean, there's clover this year right up to the bottom of the stand. All right. So it's point now.
Good.
You want me to start mowing?
No.
All right. Every year, no matter what, this is at least, we can't figure out if this is year 4 down here or year 3. But either way, every year we get a picture of a big bear down here, and I mean big. The one last year was 400 to 500 pounds. But eventually we'll get a picture of a bear. Well, I guess after that burn episode, nobody's getting stung today. Supposedly. Got this stupid burdocks growing here in just a major patch. But the rest of it looks good. And last year, if you go back to, you'd have to go to my hunting videos. I sat here the first day of archery and took a doe. That's what I was here for. That's what cameras were showing. That I could come down first day, get my doe out of the way, and then do nothing but scout for bucks. So put meat in the freezer, and then I spent the next 2 to 3 weeks just working cameras, trying to get a buck on pattern, and it worked out for me. As you can see in yet another video where I go and pick my buck up from Dan Kuzmart.